Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Must have been busy with celebrating Diwali, so I will not ask you if you completed your homework. Let's discuss the answers on Tuesday. Because I'm not sure if all of you have completed, and some of us, I think one or two mentioned that they'll not be able to join today's class because they're out of town. So let us have the discussion of answers to the homework. And discussion of answers meaning we'll see the final answers. I'll share the slides with you. We'll see that on Tuesday. In case you have not completed, please do it. We learned something new today. So see this, children, simplify. Simplify. Simplify meaning like we say, like in English, we say no, do as directed. Do as directed means just see the instructions, whatever the instructions say, do that. So simplify meaning see whether you should add, subtract, multiply or divide. It depends on the instructions we see here. Now what do you see here? In the first bracket, we have x squared minus 5. In the second bracket, x plus 5. What is the sign between them? Multiplication. There is no sign. That means multiply. Plus 25. That means you should multiply these two. This is the binomial. This is a binomial. This one is also a binomial. Find the product of these two binomials. Why product? Because there's no sign. That means it's multiplication. Multiply these two binomials and add 25 to it. That's the meaning. Multiply these two binomials and add 25 to them, to the product. So now how do we multiply? So first we'll multiply. Now to see this plus 25, it's written as it is plus 25 as it is. So how do we multiply these two brackets? How do we multiply these two brackets? Why multiply? Because there's no sign between them. That means multiplication. So how do we multiply? How do we multiply? So it's like the first term, x squared with the second bracket x plus 5. The first term of the first bracket x squared multiplied by the second bracket x plus 5. Minus 5 of the first bracket multiplied by the second bracket x plus 5. So the first term x squared into x plus 5 minus the second term minus 5 into x plus 5. That's what you see here. X squared into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5. Now multiply. X squared into x is x cubed. X squared into 5 is 5x squared. Minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 5 is minus 25. Multiply, should multiply. And this plus 25 as it is. Plus 25 minus 25 is 0. This is 0. And write x cube, write 5x square, write minus 5x as it is because they are not like terms. See, now the signs are plus and minus. When can you add or subtract? Only like terms can be added or subtracted. You can multiply any two terms, but you can add or subtract only like terms. So after multiplication, what we see is addition and subtraction. They're not like terms. This is x cubed, this is x squared, this is x. So that's the final result. So we have simplified the given expression. Go through the first one alone, children.
Ma'am, do we have to take screenshot and write it later?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Do we understand now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, now tell me the answer for this, children. What is a cube plus a squared? What is a cubed multiplied by a square. I want the answer for both.
Ma'am, a cube plus a square is 2a to the power 5. A cube into a square is a to the power 5, ma'am. A to the power 5.
Now, how many of you go with Madhumita? How many of you say that she's right? Is Madhumita right in the first one or the second one or both 1 and 2? Yes. Is 1 correct? Is 2 correct?
And both, ma'am.
Both are
Correct, ma'am.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, class, one by one, tell me. Unmute and tell me if she's right. Yes, children, I'm right here. I'm waiting for your answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's only Devadarshini, Raja, and me in the meeting.
Oh, really? I thought I saw these two children, no? Sindhu and Sanjay.
Yes, ma'am. I think they just joined.
No, they're here for some time, no? I saw them at the beginning of the meeting.
Ma'am, they are leading, ma'am.
They have some issue probably with the.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right.
For Madhumita's answer, I have given the response, ma'am. Raja has to give still.
Yes, Raja, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what is a cube plus a square?
ma'am, e to the power 6.
A to the power 6, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you must write this in your book, all of you. We can add or subtract only like terms. Write that 5 times in your book. We can add or subtract only like terms. Write that 5 times in your book. And then tell me the answer for the first one. No, I seriously mean it. Write it in your book. We can add or subtract only like terms. 5 times. And if possible, take a photo and send it on WhatsApp for me now.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the sentence?
We can add or subtract only like terms.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish writing?
No, I'm going to complete.
Okay. Now tell me the answer for the first one. A cube and a square, are they like terms?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then can you add or subtract them?
No, ma'am.
Answer for that, the answer is the same thing. Answer is a cube plus a square because it cannot be simplified further. A cube plus a square is a cube plus a square only. A cubed minus a square is also the same thing. They are not like terms. A doesn't mean that they are like terms. This is a to the power 3. So now tell me the answer for this. What is 2a to the power 5 minus 7a to the power 5? Are they like terms?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
They are like terms. So can you subtract them?
Yes, ma'am. It's minus 5a power 5.
It's minus 5a power 5. I told you when you add or subtract, the answer also will be a like term. When you write on this also in your book, when we add or subtract, the result is also a like term. When we add or subtract, the result we get is also a like term. If it has to be a like term, then you should get a to the power 5 only, no? So 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Very simple. Should follow the rules when you're adding or subtracting. Should not just do what your mind says at that point of time. We have some rules, right? So first rule to check when you're adding or subtracting, the first rule is, are they like terms? Only if they're like terms, you're going to go ahead adding or subtracting them. They must be like terms. So if they're like terms, you will add or subtract them. Then also you're aware that the answer should be a like term. So if it is a power 5, answer will also be a power 5. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. I don't want any of you to go wrong in adding or subtracting in future. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Be simple. They should be like terms. If you have to add or subtract, they should be like terms. Multiplication, division, don't worry. Anything can multiply. You can multiply. Sorry?
Idiot. Disturb ante irukama.
Devadarshini, please put your mic on mute and then talk. Yeah, so multiplication, division, no rules. No rules meaning whether they are like or unlike, you can multiply and divide them. Just this basic rule, that's all. When you're adding or subtracting, they must be like terms, and the answer you get also will be a like term. One question to each one of you. Raja.
Ma'am.
First, tell me if they're like terms. How many terms do you see on your screen?
2 terms, ma'am.
Are they like terms?
No, ma'am.
Read the letters.
11a square b minus 23ba square.
Read only that the literal factors. A square b.
A square b, ba square.
Read ba square from behind.
A square b.
Does it sound the same?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What is a raised to the power? The a is raised to the power what?
2, ma'am.
In both?
Yes, ma'am.
And b is raised to the power?
1.
In both?
Yes, ma'am.
Like terms. The order is different, but they're like terms. If I write like this, they're not like terms. If I write minus 11 a square b and minus 23 b square a. What is the power of b in both? In the first one, what is the power of b?
1, ma'am.
In the second one?
2, ma'am.
Straight away, that's all. Don't check anything else. They're not like terms.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
So you take up every letter and check the power also. Take up every letter and check the power.
Yes, ma'am. So if the letters match the value, so we can, they are like terms.
Yeah, if the letters and their powers are the same. If the letters and their powers.
Yes, ma'am.
If the letters and their powers are the same, they are like terms. If there's one extra letter also, they're not like terms. See, now supposing I put a C here.
Yes, ma'am.
There is
It
no
does
C.
not match with the second term.
Yeah, there is no C here. So then they're not like terms.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Raja, now answer this question. What is minus 23 s square y minus 10 y s square? What's the answer? First, are there like terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Do the letters and their powers match?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they can be different order. This is s square y, this is y s square. That's okay. But there is y, there is y. There is y to the power 1, y to the power 1, s to the power 2, s to the power 2. Like terms. Now the answer also will be what? A like term. So the answer also we should have s square y. Or you can write y s square. Anything you write, both are the same.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer should also have an s square y. Because the answer is also a like term. Now what is the coefficient here?
And minus 33, ma'am.
Yeah. So we were able to perform this calculation because they were like terms.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of us?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now supposing are they like terms?
Yes, ma'am.
But they need not be like terms to multiply. Here they are like terms, but they don't have to be like terms. You can multiply anybody. Now, 2ab and yeah, now it's multiplication. How do you multiply? You can multiply anything and everything. You can multiply anything and everything. To multiply, when you multiply, the answer may be a like term, may not be a like term. See now, it can be anyways. So, how do we multiply? Multiply the numbers. What is, you should multiply everything. Multiply the numbers. What will you get?
Minus 12, ma'am. Minus 12, ma'am.
What is a into a?
A square, ma'am. A square, ma'am.
Because a into a means a to the power 1 into a to the power 1, which is a to the power 1 plus 1, a to the power 2. What is b into b?
B square, ma'am. B square, ma'am.
This is the answer. This is the answer. So when you multiply, you should multiply everything. You should multiply the number with the number, the letter A with this letter A, this letter B with this letter B, and this is the result. Multiplying, multiplication, division with anything. Addition, subtraction, only like terms, and the answer also will be a like term. What is A into A? How do you multiply? When bases are same, how do you multiply?
A cube, ma'am.
A cube, we add powers. A to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1. We add the powers. And it is A cube. A to the power 3. What is A plus A plus A?
3A.
When you're adding, the answer also is a like term. So the answer also will have an A in it. A plus A plus A. The answer also will have an A in it. But what will you add then? The coefficients 1, 1 and 1 you should add. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 3A. Do we get the difference between these two?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
What is B square plus B square plus B square? And what is B square into B square into B square? Yes.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yeah,
I'm
it's on
doing
the
the screen.
yeah, it's on the screen. Answer the questions on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. For the first one, B square plus B square plus B square, it is 3B square, ma'am.
Okay, so 1 minute. So when you're adding B square, B square, B square, they're like terms. The answer also will be a like term. So you should have a B square in the answer. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.
Okay, ma'am. And for the second one, B square into B square into B square, we have to add the powers, ma'am, so that it is B to the power 6.
B to the power 6. Very good. Very good, Devadarshini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now what is minus 2B cube minus 9B square? Yes, children, what's the answer for this one?
Minus 2B cube minus 9B square, ma'am.
Same thing. Why?
Because they are not like terms, ma'am.
Because they're not like terms. They're not like terms. This is B to the power. The letters match B, but their powers don't match 3 and 2. The powers don't match, so they're not like terms. So you cannot add or subtract. The same thing is the answer. But if I put a multiplication sign, multiplied by, then what's the answer? Are you worried that they are not like terms to multiply? No. How do you multiply? Multiply the numbers and multiply the letters also. What's the answer when you multiply the numbers?
Minus 18 B to the power 5, ma'am.
Yeah. B cubed into B square. How do we multiply B cubed and B square? We add the powers. 3 plus 2, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 18 B to the power 5. Okay, now I think you've all understood. Now go ahead to understand the second and the third one, children. Please work the second and third one and get your doubts clarified. The remaining will be a test in today's class. 1, 2, 3 we'll understand. 4 to 8 test.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I completed all of this already as a homework, ma'am. Ma'am, I too completed all the sums, ma'am.
This slide I did not give us homework, no?
No, ma'am. Last class you gave homework, ma'am.
Oh, we went by the slide, but I did not give this as homework. Oh, 1 minute. Just let me know. This I gave us homework, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then look at this one.
This also completed, ma'am.
Okay. Look at this one.
Yes, ma'am. This also, yes, ma'am. This also we completed, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Okay. All this except this slide. What about example 10? Look at this one. Oh, we did this in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, right. This one, children? Oh, this also said you finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you in today's meeting have completed the homework, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Raja, have you finished the homework?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, do this, children. Let me see how you do this. Work this now.
Ma'am, we already did this, ma'am.
Oh, this is my question, no? How? There's no question like this here. I just made a question of my own now.
Ma'am, I've already written this in my note before example 9, ma'am.
Same thing, no? It's a coincidence then. I write something and it's an NCRT, is it? Where is it? Question is not that. I just created it now. Where is the question? This is not there. Now work this, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, read out your steps.
4x cubed multiplied by 2x to the power 4 minus 2 minus 5 into 2x to the power 4 minus 2 and minus 10, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, so this is the first step, correct? Next.
8x to the power 7 minus 8x to the power
1 minute. 1 minute. So 4 2s are 8. X cube into x to the power 4. We have to add the powers, x to the power 7. Yeah, next term. Next term.
minus 8x cubed, ma'am.
Minus 8x cube.
Minus 10x to the power 4, ma'am.
Minus 10x to the power 4. Yeah, correct.
Plus 10 minus 10, ma'am.
Plus 10.
Minus 10, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Next.
8x to the power 7 minus 8x to the power 3 minus 10x to the power 4, ma'am.
Correct. Are these like terms? X power 7, x cube and 10x to the power 4?
No, ma'am.
What are the signs in the middle? Minus and minus, minus. It's 8x to the power 7 minus 8x cubed minus 10x to the power 4. So you need to subtract, but they're not like terms. So that's a result. So plus 10 minus 10 gets cancelled. So the result is 8x to the power 7 minus 8x cubed minus 10x to the power 4.
Ma'am, I got 2x square minus 5x plus 12.
Yeah, see where you have gone wrong. I've shown all the steps on the screen. Read out your steps, Madhumita.
Yes, ma'am. X into 2x plus 3 minus 4
X
into...
into 2x plus. No, which one are you working?
Ma'am, x minus 4 and 2x plus 3.
No. I have written a question on the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, that's what you said that you've already worked it, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
No. I have written a question on the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children, I think the best thing we can do is to discuss the homework because the next part is algebraic identities. Before that, I need to make sure that you've understood all this. I can't switch to the next part is algebraic identities. And I cannot go to that unless and until I make sure that you've understood all this, simplifying expressions correctly. So we have to discuss the answers to the homework I've given you. Let's do that now. If I had not given this as homework, take a screenshot. This is simple. You can do it. Was this homework, children? Okay, if you don't remember, take a screenshot. You can complete this. What is A? Tell me the second one in this. How do we multiply?
Ma'am, a square into 5a plus minus 3b plus 2b square into 5a minus 3b, ma'am.
2b square. Huh?
3b square, ma'am.
Yeah, I
Try
know.
to complete it this one, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. We'll discuss the answers. I told you I cannot go to the next part without making sure that you've all got the correct answers for these. So we're seeing the answers. Now, what's the mistake in this? Tell me. There is a mistake in this one. What's the mistake?
Ma'am, we're supposed to add both of them, ma'am. But if we don't put any sign, it means it becomes multiplication.
Yeah, so that plus 2b square is very important. Plus 2b square is very important. So what happens? What is a square into 5a? Please multiply and tell.
5a cube, ma'am. Minus 3a square b
plus 10ab square minus 6b cube, ma'am.
Very good. Correct? And this multiplication sign, you know, it's as good as not. If you think, oh, we didn't put this multiplication sign, that's okay. That's okay. You don't have to show this multiplication sign. Sometimes your teacher might ask you to use it. Some teachers might not. So it's the same as writing a into b minus 5. It's the same as writing a into b minus 5. So your answer is right, children. There are no like terms. No, this is a squared b. This is a b squared. So there are no like terms, so you cannot simplify any further, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What about this? Have we completed this? This was classwork or homework?
I completed.
Yeah, I think we did this in the class, I remember. Yeah, let's see these answers. Let's see the last one. So in the last one, we had to multiply. We have to multiply 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. See here, this is what we have to multiply. We were given this. We are given this. We have to multiply these two. We have to multiply. So write the first bracket. Write the second bracket. And we have to multiply the two. We have to multiply the two. So the second bracket can be simplified. You can multiply this 4 inside. First do that. 4a square. And then 4 into 2 by 3. What is 4 into 2 by 3? 4 into 2 by 3 is 8 by 3. Is 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 b square. So first simplify the second bracket. Four into a square is 4a square. 4 into 2 by 3 is 8 by 3. We just did now. 4 into 2 by 3, we just did. 4 into 2 by 3 is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 b square. Now, the usual method to multiply first term, second bracket, second term, second bracket. So see here 3 by 4 a square multiplied by the second bracket, multiplied by the second bracket. Then the second term 3b square multiplied by the second bracket. This step, we are discussing this step. Please tell me if you understand the first and the second step. We have discussed this and this. Is it understood? Whatever I take. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, since they are fractions, I have shown the step like this. Since they are fractions, so now what do you multiply? 3 by 4 a square into 4a square. I've shown that here. 3 by 4 a square into 4a square. Then you will multiply 3 by 4 a square and 8 by 3 b square. So see that here. Minus, because minus, no, plus into minus is minus. And then you will multiply these two terms. I've written them in a bracket. Then you will multiply these two. You can see that in a bracket here. Then you will multiply these two. You can see them in a bracket here. And what sign to put outside? When you're multiplying these two terms, 3b square has a plus sign. 8 by 3b square has a minus sign. So when you're multiplying 3b square and 8 by 3b square, 3b square and 8 by 3b square, what sign to put outside? Whatever signs they carry, see here, 3b square has a plus sign, 8 by 3b square has a minus sign. So minus into plus is minus. That's what you put outside here. Okay. After that, so minus and minus will get cancelled. I'm sorry, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So we have 3a square into a square. 3a square into a square, which is a square into a square is a to the power 4. Because when you multiply, you're adding the powers. When you multiply, you're adding the powers. So a 2 plus 2, 4. So for the first bracket will give you 3a to the power 4. Then the second bracket cancel. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 twos are. So 2a square b square. 2a square b square. The third bracket 12a square b square. Last bracket 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 8b square into b square. 8b to the power 4. Then after multiplying, you can see that these two are like terms. B square, a square, b square, a square, or a square, b square, both. They're like terms, so you can simplify them. The remaining two terms come as they are. Understood, children? Any doubt?
Understood, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
So please check your answers, the others also. Those who have not done the homework, just go through the steps on the screen and understand so that you can complete it later. Those who have completed, please check your answer, and in case there's any variation, get your doubt clarified. Yes, check here. We'll discuss the third one because it has decimals. We'll discuss the third one. So how do we multiply? These two brackets. So as usual, the first term, second bracket, second term, second bracket. Missed the multiplication sign here. I told you, you can either show or not show. Here also, you can show the multiplication sign here. Then if you don't show, it's okay. Then 2.5 into 2.5, 25 into 25, 625. 25 into 25, 625. And there are two decimal, say there's 1 and 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. So the product, you will have to place a decimal point here, 6.25. L into L is L square. L into L is L square. Then 2.5L into 0.5 M. So 2.5 to 0.5 is 1.25. L into M is Ln. Minus 1.25 Ln. 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. M into M is M square. Multiply the signs for C. When you're multiplying two terms, always. Now say when you're multiplying 0.5 M, and that is when you're multiplying minus 0.5 M and plus 0.5 M. How do we multiply? First multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus. Then multiply the numbers. 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. Then multiply the letters. M into M is M square. So there are three stages. First multiply the signs, then the numbers, then the letters. The two terms will have the signs before them. The two terms will have the signs before them. Multiply those signs and write the answer. Then multiply the numbers, then the letters. Then these two terms will get cancelled because it is plus 1.25 minus 1.25 ln. So 0, they get cancelled. And this is the answer. Got it, children? Any doubt?
Understood, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
All right. Was this homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Check your answers. Please check your answers and ask me your questions if there's any variation between your answer and my answer. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
All the same answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to unshare my screen and ask you to read out the answer from your book so that I can check. You can't see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you
Yes.
understand the slide? Wait 1 minute, let me show you the slide again. I want you to share your answers of these questions. See here these questions. Have you all worked this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, share your answers. What's the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, x cube plus 5x square minus 5x, ma'am.
X plus 5 minus 5 into x
The
plus
other
5.
day, did I also give you the answer slide or I gave you only the question slide?
Ma'am, I took only the question. Question I took, ma'am. We took.
Okay, fine. Then there's some meaning discussing the answer. Okay. What's the answer for the first one? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. All of you got that?
Yes, ma'am.
What's
Yes,
the answer for the
ma'am.
second? Okay, second one.
Ma'am, a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus
Q
20.
plus 20, ma'am.
Okay, the third one.
2t square minus ts plus s square t square minus 2s square, ma'am.
No, you've gone wrong.
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am,
t
2t
cube
square
minus ts plus s square t square minus s cube, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Let me show that answer. Yeah, please check Sindhu and Sanjay. T into t square. T into t square is t cubed. No, you please go through the answer and ask your questions. So see, only Madhumita has sent. I had asked you guys to write, no? We can add or subtract only like terms. So Madhumita has said.
Ma'am, I too sent, ma'am. I've already sent it, ma'am.
Oh, really? Sorry, 1 minute, let me check.
Ma'am, I had an internet issue, so I can just listen a little bit, ma'am. But I wrote what you told, ma'am.
All right. Very nice. Okay, ma'am. We can add. Okay, Devadarshini has sent. Sindhu and Sanjay also have done. What about Raja?
Ma'am, written down 5 times, ma'am, but I'm not having any phone.
Okay, fine. Very good, very good. Okay, children, fine. Very good, children, you're all. Very good. All right, ma'am. Yes, now Sindhu and Sanjay, I want to know what doubt you have in your mind. Did you identify your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
T into t square is when you're multiplying, no problem whether they're like, they're unlike, no problem. What should you do? You should add the powers when you're multiplying. When base are same, you should add the powers. So t power 1 into t power 2 is t power 3.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Others also, please go through the third one. Any doubt, ask me. fourth one is also important. I think this we did in the class. Yeah, and we did this in the class. Yeah, we'll do this one. We'll do the sixth one, children. We'll do the sixth one. So see here x into the second bracket plus y into the second bracket. X into x square.
The sum, ma'am.
Sorry?
Completed the sum, ma'am.
Yeah. No, I'm still trying to explain. Yeah. Good. X into x square is x cube. X into xy. So y will come as it is. X into x. X into xy means x into x into y. X into xy. So that means it's x into x into y. So x into x is x square. X square and y. X into y square is xy square. Y into x square is, you can write y x square or x square y, any order. Y into xy. Y into xy is xy square. Y into y square is y cube. And the signs, when you multiply in two terms, now for example, when you're multiplying x and xy, when you're multiplying x and xy, x has a positive sign plus, xy has a negative sign. So plus into minus, minus, that's what we've written here. That's how we write the signs. When you're multiplying two terms, first multiply their signs, then multiply the terms. Then you can see that, there is, I've just arranged it here. You can also cancel it in this stage itself. Minus x square y plus x square y. 0 plus xy square minus xy square. So the answer is x cubed plus y cubed. The answer is x cubed plus y cubed. What I've done here is I've just arranged the terms. X cubed plus y cubed I've written here. And then I've just arranged xy square minus xy square. Then what is this? Minus x square y and plus x square y. I've just arranged the terms. Plus x square y minus x square y. They get cancelled. Plus x square y minus x square y. This is plus xy square minus xy square. Cancels. Or 0, the value is 0. This one the value is 0. Here the value is 0. Understood, children? X cube plus y cube.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, check your answer here. The sixth and the seventh one.
Ma'am, 1 second, can you show the previous slide?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Any doubts, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. This. What is these are the identities which we are going to learn. Now just tell me the product. What is A plus B into A plus B? What's the answer? What is A plus B into A plus B? Tell me the product.
Ma'am, 2A plus 2B.
A plus B into A plus B. How do you multiply?
Ma'am, A to the power 2 plus B to the power 2.
No.
A square plus AB square plus B square, ma'am.
A plus B into A plus B. How do you
Ma'am,
multiply?
A square plus AB plus BA plus B square, ma'am.
Yeah, simplify that further. What is AB plus BA?
Ma'am, A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Yeah, correct. A square plus 2AB plus B square. How do we multiply? A into the second bracket A plus B. Then plus B into the second bracket A plus B. Then this is A into A square plus A into B, AB plus B into A. You can write plus AB itself. You can write B and not wrong, but you can also write AB itself plus B into B, B square. So that will be A square, AB plus AB is 1, AB plus AB. You're adding. Are they like terms? Yes, they are like terms. So the answer also would be a like term. AB only you'll get. 1 plus 1, 2. 2AB. Because AB means 1AB. 1 plus 1, 2AB. 1AB plus 1AB is 2AB. Plus B square. So Madhumita was right. A plus B into A plus B is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is an algebraic identity. A plus B into A plus B is A plus, can be written as A plus B the whole square also. Because A plus B into A plus B is A plus B the whole square. We'll see these in the next class. A plus B the whole, it's nothing but A plus B the whole square. So A plus B into A plus B, which is A plus B the whole square, is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now tell me what is A minus B into A minus B? How do you work multiply A minus B into A minus B?
Ma'am, completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the answer?
Ma'am, A square plus 2AB minus B square, ma'am.
Wrong.
Ma'am, A square plus 2AB plus B square, ma'am.
No. Yeah.
Ma'am, but I'm getting the same answer, ma'am.
A square, repeat your answer.
A square plus 2ab plus b square, ma'am.
How are you getting plus 2ab?
Ma'am, minus ab minus ba is plus 2ab, ma'am.
Minus ab is?
Plus 2ab, ma'am.
How? What is minus 1 minus 1?
Minus 2, ma'am.
Ma'am, a square minus 2ab minus b square, ma'am.
Very good. A square minus 2ab. Tell me A square minus 2ab.
Minus b square, ma'am.
Minus b square, huh?
Plus b square, ma'am.
Plus b square.
Yes, ma'am.
It is A into A minus B minus B into A minus B. Is this step correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's multiply. A into A is A square. Then A into minus B. What is A into minus B? Minus AB.
Yes, ma'am.
Then minus B into A is minus BA or minus AB only? Minus
A,
AB.
ma'am. AB.
Okay, BA, AB, both are the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus B into minus B is plus B square.
B square, ma'am.
Why plus B square? Because minus B into minus B. Minus into minus is plus. B into B is B square. A square minus AB minus AB. When you're adding or subtracting, answer also will be AB only. Minus 1 it is. Minus 2. Minus 2. So A square minus 2AB plus B square as it is. Plus B square as it is. So A minus B into A minus B is A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Do we understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Raja?
Ma'am?
Any,
Ma'am?
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Others? Madhumita, Devadarshini?
No doubt, ma'am.
All right, children. Fine, children. So that's it for today's session. I haven't given you any homework. Let me see. I'll share a test paper with you. Complete that by the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Or in case
Yes,
I
ma'am.
activate an exam in the portal, I'll let you know. Please check WhatsApp, but some homework will be shared with you. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night, children.
Thank you.
Good night. Thank you, children. Good night.